16 Best Foods for Arthritis and Joint Pain. Many people suffer from a painful condition called arthritis, which affects the joints in the body. This is caused by many different issues such as genetics, a poor diet, being overweight, or from injuries. Arthritis is common in the hands, knees, feet, hips, and other joints we use often. If left untreated, the joints may require surgery and replacement. In today's video, we will share with you a list of the top 16 healthy foods that fight arthritis and joint pain. Eating these instead of junk food will bring lots of nutrients to your body to reduce inflammation and trigger healing. Let's take a look at some of these foods. Kicking off our list at number 1, we have avocados. They are one of the healthiest superfoods on the planet and are rich in potassium. Arthritis patients are often deficient in potassium, so we recommend eating these daily. Avocados also contain natural compounds and vitamins that reduce inflammation in the joints. Holding steady at number 2 is flax seeds. Freshly ground flax seeds release natural oils containing omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids work to reduce pain and inflammation in the joints, which takes the pressure off. Coming in at number 3 are almonds. There is a trace mineral called boron, which is found in almonds. This important nutrient helps the bones to absorb calcium and magnesium, making them stronger and healthier. In the 4th spot, we have chicken soup. Collagen found in bone broth or chicken soup has been scientifically shown to improve osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis. Collagen strengthens the connective tissues around the joints naturally and also stops the immune system from attacking the cartilage. Landing at number 5 is apple cider vinegar. As we get older, the stomach loses its acidity and becomes too alkaline. Apple cider vinegar helps to strengthen the stomach and allow it to absorb minerals needed by the joints. Drink 1 tablespoon in a glass of water with each meal, or take apple cider vinegar capsules. At number 6, we have turmeric. This ancient spice has been used in India for thousands of years as a natural medicine. It's one of the best anti-inflammatory spices in nature and works as a natural painkiller and healer. Lucky number 7 is peppermint. Peppermint is a delicious herb that reduces pain and inflammation throughout the entire body. You can drink this as a tea to aid internally, and also rub peppermint oil mixed with a little coconut oil onto the painful joint. This helps to soothe pain with the cooling effect. Coming in at number 8 is sauerkraut. This is a form of fermented cabbage which helps to reduce inflammation of the joints. It is rich in sulfur, which is needed to relieve arthritis symptoms and also strengthens the lower digestive system with friendly bacteria. At number 9, we have matcha tea. This is a super concentrated form of green tea drunk by monks for centuries. It detoxifies the body, reduces pain, lowers inflammation, and triggers healing at the cellular level. Rounding out the top 10 is coconut oil. This is widely known as one of nature's best superfoods. It contains healthy natural oils which support overall health and reduce joint pain and inflammatory diseases. It is also well known as a cure for brain fog and can boost mental clarity. At number 11, we have cabbage. Green and red cabbage are rich in sulfur, which is an important building block for the bones, joints, cartilage, and connective tissues. The antioxidants found in plant-based vegetables help to reduce swelling and pain. Holding the 12th spot is krill oil. We recommend taking a daily supplement of krill oil to reduce arthritis and joint pain. Studies show that krill oil reduces inflammation and stiffness of the joints, allowing for better mobility and movement. At number 13, we have spirulina. This is a powdered superfood that has powerful pain-relieving effects. Adding this to morning smoothies can work as a natural painkiller. Coming in at number 14 is salmon. We highly recommend eating lots of wild-caught oily fish, such as salmon, mackerel, and sardines. These are rich in omega-3, which quickly eases pain and tension in the joints. At number 15, we have garlic. This tasty bulb is used in cooking all around the world. It contains diallyl disulfide, which is a compound that prevents inflammation. It helps in fighting the pain and cartilage damage from arthritis. Be sure to eat this raw for the best effects. Last but by no means least, at number 16 is ginger. Ginger is one of nature's best healing spices. It has been heavily studied for fighting arthritis and works well to reduce pain, especially in the knees. Add this to delicious stir-fries, soups, and healthy drinks. As you can see, there are many foods that you can eat to help with arthritis and joint pain. Add a mixture of these into your weekly meals to enjoy their health benefits. For added benefits, you might want to try cutting sugar out of your diet, as this is the main trigger of pain in the body and swelling. Reduce refined grains and flour from foods such as pancakes, waffles, bread, biscuits, cakes, and crackers, as these also trigger inflammation. You can take a daily supplement of 6 milligrams of boron per day to trigger healing of the joints. You will need patience and to live on a healthy diet for some time, so stick with these foods. Thank you very much for listening. A like is always appreciated, and remember to subscribe and tap the bell for more healthy videos. I wish you great health, wealth, and happiness.